portability of the cordless design makes it so easy to move around your home. A collaboration with this amazing lamp. Let's dive into some key features. So in this video, I'm going to review this. So if you're looking for a sharp, edgy, modern lamp that's very classy and not trashy, and it comes in silver and gold, then you're at the right place, because this one you do not have to have it plugged in, and it can work indoors and outdoors. Let's unbox it. Let me reveal it and show you how it works. Some incredible features. It has a color temperature range of 3,000 to 6,000 Kelvin, making it perfect for any mood or setting in your room. Plus, it runs on 5 volts to power volts in energy efficiency. And the charging and working time, I'm going to show you guys. Oh my gosh, this is so simple. It's only going to take about 4 hours to fully charge. And once it's charged, you can enjoy it for up to 20 hours beautiful light. That's perfect for long evenings, whether it's you're indoors or outdoors. First, the cordless design makes it so easy to move around your home.
All right, let's unbox this. It comes very well packaged. I love that they put this like foam to really protect it, so it's in mint condition. Here's the manual that's very easy to read. This versatile gold lamp, it's not too heavy, but it's not super light. You can tell it's a good amount of weight, so it won't get knocked over. I love the gold color, and I love that grippy on the bottom. It's so well designed. There's the charger right there where you're going to charge it. That's very hard surface on the top, so I don't feel like it's going to break easily. So this right here is the instructions of the 3 different types of light quality you're going to get and dimming it. Oh, this is so adorable, and it's so easy to use. The button is so simple. I love this.
3 settings, you guys. Boom, boom, boom. I love it. So easy. So modern. Easy. No cord? Are you kidding me? Design makes it super easy to move around your home or take with you on the go. The minimalist and the modern design complements any decor, whether if you're going for a cozy vibe or a sleek look. And it's weatherproof, so you can use it both ways, indoors and outdoors, without worrying. So in the package, I received a charging cord and the lamp. It didn't come with the block, so make for sure you use a fast charging block, you guys, so you can only take 4 hours to fast super charge it, or maybe even less than 4 hours, but it's definitely going to last for 10 to 20 hours. So that is awesome. Yeah, you're welcome. So if you're interested in grabbing one for the holidays or upgrading your space of living, adding something exciting to your bedroom that really will make everything look so much luxury, so much better, be sure to check out the link down below in the bio. This lamp is so modern but very edgy. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this type of video, please leave a comment down below. I would love to hear what you have to say about this video or this lamp. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome collaborations. See you next time. And you guys, go on their website too, because not only they have this wonderful cordless that's very modern and slick, well designed, and indoor outdoor, they have some other lamps, like the one I really love. It's like stands up tall from the floor, so it's not a table lamp, and it's so lovely. Very really good prices too. And make for sure you check it out really soon because they are selling out very quickly, you guys. And I want to give you guys a discount code. If you don't see it down below in my description, then you'll see it on their website because they're always having sales around the holidays. And you have to get one of these because who needs a stinky cord hanging around? Like, this is so nice because if you need a little bit more light over there, or if you're going over there, you bringing it with you. I mean, it's like all in one, like a flashlight and a lamp. That's brilliant. I love it. Thank you again for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate this, and I hope you guys enjoy this lamp if you purchased it, or enjoy this video. On my channel, we do product review, and I love reviewing makeup, hair. I'm talking about furniture, kitchenware, outdoor lights, indoor lights, modern things. You got it right here. I love this. The button is so easy. It's like it's not like, it's actually just a tap. And I love that it's warm. And my kids can't break this. I mean, this is like really legit going to be hard to break. So this is great. Really sturdy. Look at that. Boom. So cool. Look at that. This is great. To taking this outside when you're having a nice candlelight dinner. This is perfect. This is enough to read.